Okay, so
Okay, let's see.
memorize the arrows and dodge.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, so it's individual?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
have to survive the longest.
Ready, Helvey.
Oh, it
Or
is
I'm gonna force-
individual, yeah.
This doesn't seem that bad.
And everyone shush.
Fuck.
Oh no. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, I was too far off to the side.
Oh. I won? I wasn't paying attention.
I had it, but my ass is like, oh, too fucking thick. I'm gonna fucking die.
When your fat ass kills you.
My fat ass fucking
Two?
murdered me.
No.
That's what happened to me too. Don't worry.
Haha.
Our asses are too fat.
Bumblebee.
Honeybee.
On my
On the-
knees.
Babu?
Have I been released?
Yes, you've been released from the void. Welcome back.
Open another
You have
present.
another present.
Aw.
Yay. Pick a good one.
Animal arithmetic. Count the indicated animal combos as they pass.
Okay. Wait, what are we counting? Just like.
How do we do it?
Rabbits riding boars.
Am I pressing it?
Yeah. You could just copy Hobby, because you can hear him. Uh-oh. Oh no, I got it right.
Fuck you. I'm putting my...
Fucking thank God we're not children. What if I was a child?
No.
Oh, I got a present. What if it absorbs me?
Do it. Do the present.
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 Who doesn't want a
Okay.
present? I don't think I have a present.
A little present for Blue.
I just don't want it to.
Oh, bye, Blue.
See?
Present.
Present.
No,
Present.
I want my spot.
No! I was really banking on you not having one.
I know you were.
Because I thought you wasted it. I thought you used it.
I hadn't
but
used
I
it
forget
yet.
you have the
Yeah,
same
that's
brain
just-
as me.
Neppy hasn't done anything yet. Hasn't used anything.
No, all I did was
Except for
rocket you and
tactics.
ball.
Can I
Ball.
like? Where does this go?
Kill them.
That's so funny. Oh, and I still get
Bitch.
one.
So just Q and
Jump
and
space.
jump.
Jump and duck.
Okay.
Oh, you don't
what?
stay
You
for a
have to-
long time.
Oh.
I'm struggling, bro.
You fucking got me killed!
What? I didn't say
Oh
anything.
no! Oh no! Oh no! So my brain's like stabbing you!
Oh, I start.
Oh no!
Hobby, it's not that one.
Boo.
Yeah,
Boo. Boo.
Ooh, pony. Oh!
Oh.
No, Hobby, it was inside the fucking wall, you asshole!
Sorry, I just wanted to mock you.
That was really funny.
You.
Girl, you ain't slick. We know which one you think it is.
I'm not trying to. It's a little hard to be fucking slick.
You ain't slick. You ain't slick. Is she just gonna get it?
I'm
this?
you.
Fuck!
Bye.
Fuck!
Into the void.
No.
Enter the void with me.
Bye, Deppy.
Bye, Deppy.
I took your place.
Oh.
Switch to Piggy, switch to Piggy, switch to
Such
Piggy.
a hobby.
Piggy's
hobby.
right next to it.
No.
Jump over the lasers.
Face.
Oh boy.
Oh, this is fun. I like these.
Neppy,
Running.
please keep your mouth quiet.
Oh, oh.
Okay, no.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! It spawned on me. What the fuck is that? Who was just standing there and taking it like a champ?
It's just jump.
Oh. Oh! I don't know why that didn't occur to me. I'm gonna die.
It sounds like duckling music.
Did you see my body go flying?
What the hell is that one?
Oh,
my
shit.
gosh.
Oh shit.
Dude, this one's wildin'. Oh my gosh.
Fuck.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, that chicken
Whoa.
doing really well.
Yeah.
The money's on the chicken.
That's weird.
Oh.
What the hell? What is that? Oh, that's my dead buddy.
Idiot. Idiot.
How much money do I
All you have
get?
to do is just jump. You don't even have to run.
Oh?
I
Bitch.
hope this.
You bitch. You bitch. No.
Boom. Oh, does that kill you?
Yes, you
Oh,
fuck.
shit.
I was right
Oh, no.
there.
Never.
Harvey. Fucking.
No fucking way.
Feels
Javi be wild
bad.
then.
Hobby.
I'm anti-Javi. I don't know about y'all.
Anti-hobby.
Okay,
All
everyone,
forces
get
against
now.
Javi. I don't know which one it is.
Javi, you deserve nothing but centipedes.
No, blue.
I agree.
No. Oh fuck! I forgot which one. I followed it, but I forgot which one was which. Fuck! I knew which one it was.
Okay, well, looks like we all have to go to that side of the map either way.
That's a lot of keys. I'm so sorry, Debbie. You were just caught in the crossfire.
I know. I saw you pull it out and I was like, I'm dead. There I go.
I just wanted to get there. I didn't mean to kill you. Oh wow.
Oh, my keys.
The keys.
Good
I'm
job.
just chilling, man.
No, you are not. I was just chilling.
Get eggplanted.
That wasn't on purpose. I feel bad. I like feel bad about killing you. I just wanted to like zoom past you and win. But instead, I murdered you.
You speared me with it.
I'm so sorry.
Oh?
Did he die? Oh no.
No.
Oh, what is this
Crazy
flying
plane.
bullshit?
Opposite,
I immediately
opposite.
went to the bottom.
You immediately went to the bottom too.
Fuck.
Oh, whoa, this is hard. What the fuck is it? I hate this. This sucks.
Fuck.
Oh my gosh.
Opposite, I hate
Whoa.
that.
Is it?
No.
It's backwards.
It's opposite. Yeah, S is up and...
That pisses me off.
Fuck.
You mean you've
I'm
never flown a plane before?
over this.
No.
Oh my god, is that the finish line? Or do you have to do laps?
I
Ah!
think you do lots.
I don't like this one.
No, fuck, I didn't mean to hit the ground.
Thank fuck.
Who?
How was I second?
What?
How the
Piggy, how are you
fuck was
first?
I second?
Oh.
What? How?
What?
Did you blow up the least?
I
Me?
guess.
No.
No, I don't
There's
know
no way.
too.
If you guys blew it
What
more
is
than
that?
me, sure. My luck was so great the first time. What the?
Oh,
What?
Nelly, no!
To the void.
Fuck.
I don't think the present's worth it. You
Yeah,
just
the
picked
presents
stage.
kind of suck.
Bye, Javi.
To the void.
Yeah, fuck the presents, man. Okay.
Oh, I love these. These are really fun. Where you just have to like cover as much like area as you can. Bitch, fuck you.
Oh, I see, I see.
Oh, it's like walls and shit.
Oh, what?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's so funny. So I can like block off the
Aw.
area from you guys.
I wish I would have done that first. I would have done this a little bit different.
That's as much as I could do.
Yeah.
Really?
Whoa.
You had a lot of area.
Nice. Oh, look.
Box. Release me.
You ping.
Oh,
Kill
Javi,
Piggy.
what's that
Kill
one?
Piggy.
I kind of want to kill Piggy, but I
Why?
Kill Piggy. Please.
I'm literally the worst right now.
Yeah, but you have
Yeah,
5 health.
I want like to add to my body count.
Javi, you have no body count.
Kill Piggy. Kill Piggy. Kill
Javi,
Piggy.
kill
Piggy.
Javi!
You or me? You said I don't
your
have a
big
body count.
sister.
You don't have a body count. That's chicken bitch.
The silence.
Oh my gosh. This also ruins like family relations.
Javi, game will never,
gonna be my
ever suck
anymore.
your dick.
Oh no, game? It's probably gonna give him extra
what
for
the
that.
fuck?
Are you kidding?
I will take. I will make sure that game never talks to you.
Oh. Explosive
Oh, I
exchange.
remember this one. I don't like
Hot
this one.
potato. Why are you holding this bomb? Oh, it's hot potato with a bomb? That's so
Yeah.
funny.
Oh no, wait. I should be going for hobby.
Let that bitch cook.
Hi.
Get him! Get him! You got him! You got him! Gotta go around. Yeah, go, go. Get him, get him! No.
No!
Oh, it was like a suicide bomb? Oh. No. No!
Oh wait, you hit it in the knock of the
See me do
someone?
that.
Oh.
No, wait, you were so far away from me!
I don't
Hello?
give a shit, dog.
No! Dude, run! Get out of there!
I play DVD for sport. Javi.
Ma'am. No!
Piggy, run!
Wait, so how do you give the bomb to someone?
M1.
You punch them.
M1.
Punch him.
You punch them
You
while you
punch
hold
him.
them.
Okay. I wasted that.
Nah,
bomb.
they-
Oh,
Did.
no. Okay.
You can just no, you leave him
Oh,
in
it's normal. It's normal. It's normal.
Oh, you can shoot people.
We're shooting people.
there. Wait, what? Now I'm used to the other way. Help!
I know.
Help!
I can help you.
Can you?
Oh!
That did help me.
No.
No.
Dude, I hate this shit.
Yeah, I hate it too.
Oh, I see.
That was trash.
Yeah,
How
I
did I get
hated
first
that.
place?
Please no.
Too late.
Why
that gonna
couldn't
kill
go
you?
for hobby?
Oh, bye,
Javi
Blue.
was not near.
Good job, Neppy. High five.
That's funny.
But
Me. No, wait.
oh,
See
wait,
if you can do
maybe
the other
you could
thing.
do. Yeah, see if you could do the
Oh.
yeah.
Excellent
you know what I
idea.
mean. Extravagant
Oh,
idea.
You can.
No.
Ooh, maybe.
Do
yeah.
it, do it.
Do it. Do it.
No, his little fucking laugh.
Yeah, it's instant. It's instant.
Look at all the
Look at all these
keys.
fucking coins.
Wilden.
Bro. Those were all hobbies, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's funny.
I think Neppy's
Well.
gonna win.
No, you. I was second.
We had the same amount of things, and you just got some keys, and we were really close because I just died. I was low on keys. Award for most damage dealt. Blue.
Damn.
Oh, wow.
Most of that was for me.
Yeah.
Probably.
Most keys gained.
Yeah, blue at
Hello?
the very end.
Yeah.
That's true, yeah.
Javi's keys.
Most
Hobby.
minigames won.
It's gonna be hobby.
Thank you. I'd like to thank my mom, my dad.
Shut up.
It appears we've reached the end. It's time to present.
Neppy, we're holding each other's hand.
What?
How did the blue win?
But I thought Hobby had 3.
Ow!
How did blue win?
I'm so confused. Whatever.
Me too.
What the fuck is this game? I was first.
So many twists and turns.
Oh,
Look at
I'm assuming it probably takes
rigged.
into account.
Rigged.
fuck
Ah!
off.
Oh, because it takes into account how many trophies you get at the end.
Oh, I see.
Oh.